Hello artists, how are you today? Stephanie Aune coming to you from the banks of the Trinity River here near Willow Creek, California. Oz and I welcome you to the studio. We are very happy you are here with us today. Well, these are chalk markers. Chalkola actually sent these to me to do a review and see what I thought of them. You know, I haven't really used chalk markers. The colors are beautiful. It's a really nice set. They're very affordable. I believe they are chalk markers. I think are more of a student grade product, but I'm not positive on that. So yeah, the colors are really nice colors. I had a bit of a challenge with this. For one, using chalk marker on watercolor paper is not efficient. Okay, it absorbs all of the paint. The colors are vibrant though, and once I was able to kind of come back over the top of things and play with these dots and if you look at it from back here, it's actually quite interesting. You could really do some cool pointillism with this. I mean, could you see doing like a Seurat painting with this? Well, that'd be cool. That'd be really cool to play with. Yeah, the guy who painted with all the dots is Seurat. Anyways, I hope you guys are doing good. It is April 14th for you. It is still the 2nd for me. I hope you are enjoying this process. I would be happy to see your artwork over at Messy Hand Band of Artists. If you've used chalk markers, be sure to leave me a comment and let me know what you think about them. It was really the first time I've used them. I have played with them in different aspects, but I think as far as doing some cool little detail work over the top of other mediums, I think this would be the way to do it. I'm just going to store these like this on my shelf and keep them to where they're they have two-sided. Sorry, I just realized this. I should tell you that. I think nope, they are only one-sided, but they have a nice marker on them. That's a nice product. It's a nice product. I enjoyed them a lot, and I could see where they would be very useful in certain situations. Definitely not to do a full background on watercolor paper, though. Not the most successful, but you could have a lot of fun with these on a different surface. I think it would work better. Anyways, okay, my guys, my friends, my pals. I was gonna say something else, and it was like, that's not appropriate. Anyways, I love you bunches. I hope you're staying safe. And again, I'm going to be fast forwarding you through this process, just building up color and playing and seeing what I can make. Okay, guys, have a great day. Love you bunches. Mwah.